I hope manood kayo ulit. I hope i-support nyo ako guys ha. Please do support me. You can follow me, you can share this live, and you can send me gifts or beans. I will appreciate it. Ganda mo, idol. Thank you. Thank you, Ramon. Ang init. Hello, welcome sa mga bagong join dyan. Welcome po. Ang cute. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining my live. Excuse me. Hi. Thank you for following me. You can... Hi, Race. Thank you. Ayan, you can send me gifts, beans, or you can share this live, guys. Please do support me. Ba't kasi lang? Nag-init. Ayan, mawit na. Thank you sa mga nagpa-follow, sa mga nagjo-join. 201, 204 viewers. Hi, welcome to my live. Ah, ah, nagagalit ang baby ko. Nagagalit ang baby ko. Hmm? Hi guys! Thank you for watching Mommy's live.